Hazrat Asma bint Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu reports, I came to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the wife of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when the sun got eclipsed. People were performing prayers standing, and she was also performing the prayers standing. So I said, what happened to the people? She pointed towards the sky with her hand and pronounced, Glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. I said, any sign? She nodded, yes. I kept standing till I was going to lapse into the state of insensibility. So I started pouring water on my head. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam finished the prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam praised and glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, then said, there is nothing what I had not seen before, but I saw it at this place. I saw even paradise and hell, and it was revealed to me, you will undergo a trial in the graves similar or approximately similar to that of the Dajjal Antichrist. I do not know what Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said. One of you will be brought and said, what do you know about this person? So if he is a believer or a faithful, I do not know what word Asma used. He will say, this is Muhammad, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who came to us with signs, miracles, and guidance. So we accepted his message, believed in him, and followed him. It will be said to him, sleep in peace. We knew that you were a believer. If he is a hypocrite or a suspicious, I do not know what word Asma radiyallahu anha used. He will say, I do not know. Whatever I heard from the people, I said the same. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 1053.